Day 4 of building a web app from scratch. Let's build this referral system. So let's get some real users in here. They offered that we could do authentication as one of the next steps. Obviously, we can do whatever we want. I'm on the same page. Let's do authentication. All right, it's built. So let's try it out. Look at this. We have our first error. So what I can do is I can click this copy here. Copies the error info. And I can say I have an error and all this stuff, but I'm just going to paste it. And I think they're going to know it's an error. So it's done some stuff. We're gonna hit refresh and we still have an error. So let's copy it again. Okay, it looks like it's back on track. So it took 2 tries there, not too bad. Let's go into the client. And as I say that, we got another error. So what I'm gonna do is copy this URL and say, when I clicked client, it went to this URL and gave me an error. Sometimes you can even do a little screenshot. Drag that in there. Okay, so it now says it fixed the issue. It told me what it did. I'm going to just do a little refresh here and go to customer, and perfect. I actually have a sign-in. So before it just errored. Let's enter my email. And of course we got another error here. I'm actually curious how it thinks it's going to like route emails and stuff without any like real service here. But let's just go through the steps. We got an error message. We're just going to click it. After I entered my email and clicked the button, I got this error. Okay, looks like I put a fix in place. Check your email. Okay, interesting. Okay, so I should have actually read what it did in the first place. It says to look at the terminal output because that's actually where it's sending that link because it doesn't have the capability to actually send emails. So I was curious how I was going to do that. So it did not send in my email address, of course. Okay, now if you go into the terminal tab here, you can go terminal and then open the terminal there. You can see that it did indeed give me a login link here. Usually any links in Cursor, you just do command and click and you'll get there. Okay, so anytime I'm doing that, it's saying I'm not registered as a customer. Take a little screenshot and just say, okay, so it looks like it just signed me in. That sign-in page isn't there anymore. So if I click sign out, let's just try to sign in again. So I got the email link here. Okay, it's still kind of giving the same issue. I signed out and tried again with a new email and got the same issue. So these are the things that people aren't showing when they're actually building these web apps. There is a lot of back and forth and a lot of the mundane stuff of getting this to actually work. So, but we're taking a journey all the way through and I'm not hiding anything. So some of these days might just be fixing bugs. I'll see you on the next one as we get through some of these battles and add some more features.